Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to sync Shopify objects to Salesforce in real time using Sync Made Easy. After logging into Salesforce, you can see that the Sync Made Easy app is already configured with all the required setup steps. A Shopify store has also been connected successfully, including the site URL, store name, and store access token. Here, you can also configure options such as price book, currency, object sync settings, and email notifications based on your business requirements. Now click on Save and Next to move to the object setup step. On this page, you can configure how Shopify objects are mapped with Salesforce objects. Depending on your setup and requirements, you can select the preferred objects for synchronization. Now click on Save and Next to continue to the field mapping step. Here, you can configure object-specific field mappings between Shopify and Salesforce. You also have the option to sync all contacts and orders under a single Salesforce account. When enabled, all Shopify customers and their related orders will be associated with the selected account. Below this section, you can manage the default field mappings. If default mapping is enabled, the mappings cannot be customized. However, if you disable it, you can add, delete, or modify field mappings according to your business requirements. Similarly, additional sync configurations can also be managed from this page based on your requirements. Now click on Save and Next to proceed to the record type step. On this page, you can select the Salesforce record type that will be used when records are created during the sync process. After completing the configuration, click on Save and Next. Now you can see the mapping overview page. From here, clicking on Start Sync will process the sync batch between Shopify and Salesforce. Now, let's test the sync functionality by creating records in Shopify. First, I'll go to Shopify and create a new product. I am entering the product details along with the required information, and then clicking on Save. The product is now created successfully in Shopify. Next, let's create a customer. I'll enter the customer details and save the record successfully. Now, I'll create an order using this customer. I'll select the product, add it to the order, collect payment, mark the order as paid, and then click on Create Order. The order has now been created successfully in Shopify. Next, copy the Shopify order ID from the URL and search for it in Salesforce. Since syncing may take a few seconds, simply refresh the page if needed. As you can see, the order has now synced successfully into Salesforce. Open the order record to review the details. Here, you can see that the order is created successfully with all the related details populated automatically. If we open the related records, you can also see that the associated product, customer, order product, and other synced records are created successfully in Salesforce. This demonstrates how Sync Made Easy automatically syncs Shopify data with Salesforce while maintaining all related records and configurations. And that's the complete overview of the sync functionality in Sync Made Easy. Thank you for watching.